Hey everybody, I'm Jeff Moore from Wilson Nibla Motors, and if you are in the market for a premium crossover and you also struggle with parking, you know who you are. I'm just gonna make sure we're not gonna hit anything. More important not to hit anything.
Where'd you learn to drive?
Just a little breath, and we're gonna keep backing up. We're gonna back. Oh.
Did you just get your driver's license?
Slow and steady wins the race. Oh, I think a little close. A little close. Oh, I dare.
You might have all day, I don't.
The Buick Encore GX now offers, as a part of its advanced technology package, enhanced automatic braking assist, which is a very technical way of describing the Encore GX's ability to park itself. And when I say park itself, I don't mean like this high-end, I get out of the car, push a button and the car goes up a little bit or maybe back a little bit. I mean parallel, backing in, pulling out. We're talking all the tough ones, and it does it really well. First, select if you'll be parking perpendicular or parallel and on the right or left side of the vehicle. Then slowly begin driving forward and allow the ultrasonic radar waves that are located on the front, rear, and side of the GX to begin searching for your parking spot. Once a parking spot is detected, the Encore GX will then notify you to stop, shift the car from drive to reverse, slowly apply the gas as instructed on the infotainment screen, and simply follow the instructions from there, and voila! The Encore GX has parked itself. Wow. Wow. For more information about the Buick Encore GX that comes with enhanced automatic parking assist or any of the brand new Buick SUVs for that matter, check out the website, wilsonnibla.com. Until next time, I'm Jeff Moore. Stay safe out there, folks.